Hello everyone, my name is Niranjan Namdev Dhule. My name is now I am start with the management information system and the data, big data and business analysis. My roll number is MV21039. Some content, the introduction, meaning of management information system, characteristics of MIS, component, the aim, types, output and benefits. The meaning of the information system. And the information system is the organization of combination of the people, hardware, software, communication network and the data resources that collect the transfer and the dissemination of the information in a organization. The types of the information system, these are the some diagram they are present in operation support of the knowledge, management support. Okay, management information system. The MI is defined as the system based on a database, the reward for the purpose of the providing information to the people in an organization. The management information system are the distinct from the regular information system in that they are used to analyze from the information system is applied in operational activities in the organization. MIS involves the three primary resources: technology, information and people. The management information system are the regarded to be the subject of all over the internal control procedure in a business and which cover the application of the people, documentation, technology, product, procedure used by the management account to the solve the business problem such as the costing the product and the serve the business wide the strategy. Role of the MIS. The role of MIS in organization can be compared to the role of the heart in a body. The MIS play exactly the same role in organization. The system ensures that the appropriate data is collected from the various sources and the process and the send the further all the needy destinations. And the MIS help in a strategic planning, management control, operation control and the transfer transaction processing. The characteristic of the MIS. The management oriented, management directed and integrated. The common data flow, the integrated of the flow, the different system will the common data flow which is the further in avoiding the duplication and reduction in the data collection, storage and processing. The heavy planning element, the preparation of the MIS is not one exercise. It usually takes 3 to 5 years and sometimes it is a much longer period. The system, subsystem concept. The when a problem is seen in a two part, then the better solution, the common database. This is the basic features of the MIS to achieve the objective of the using the MIS business. And computing, MIS will be the without the computer, but the use of the computer increase that the effective efficiency of the system. The features of MIS: timeline, accuracy, consistency, complacency and relevance. Some component of the MIS: the marketing intelligence system, the internal record system, the decision support system. Aim of the management information system is the type of MIS: transaction processing system, operational information system, decision support system, expert system. The element of MIS: hardware, software, control, database and application program, people, telecommunications and the network. Output of MIS: schedule of report, indication of the report, demand report, expectation report. Benefits of MIS: it is improve the personal efficiency, it expertise to problem the solving, is facilitating the international communication, it promote the learning or training, increase the organization control. It generates the new evidence in the support, create the competitive advantages over the competition. It helps the automate the managerial process. Thank you.